Hello friends, Ed here, and we're going to explore La Mesa Eco Park. So ano ba mga bago? Tara, pasok tayo sa loob. La Mesa Eco Park is open from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Tuesday to Sunday. It's closed on Mondays for maintenance. Kung gusto niyo pumunta rito, search niyo lang sa Google Map or sakay kayo ng bus, jeep, van papuntang SM Fairview or Lagro. Baba kayo sa Pearl Drive. May tricycle terminal dyan, pahatid lang kayo. Entrance fee is 50 pesos kung non-QC resident. Pero kung taga Quezon City ka at may QC ID, ipakita mo lang, libre ka na pumasok. Fees apply on other activities. Say hi to Mr. Black Crown Night Heron. Puyat yan sa paghunting ng pagkain niya kagabi. Thank you! Madali lang kumuha nitong QC ID, it's free. Set ka lang ng appointment online sa QC e-Services. Here we go! Entering La Mesa Eco Park. Sasalubungin kayo ng sariwang hangin at mga punong kumakaway sa inyong pagdaan. Pwede kayo mag-walk-in, you can also bring your pets. Yung parking sa loob pa. Keep in mind, bawal po dito yung single-use disposables, plastics like pet bottle, sandbags, in compliance with the Quezon City Ordinance. You can bring tumblers or water containers. Marami ding mabibilhan ng food and drinks sa loob and cottage dyan na marerentahan. If you're looking for a place to unwind, relax, feel the sunlight on your face, grass on your feet, perfect spot to. May wall climbing, archery tag, target shooting, and pickleball. Kung undecided ka sa mga manliligaw mo, dalhin mo sila dito. Magtuos sila sa paintball. Winner takes all. Masarap magkape rito sa viewing deck which opens up to the La Mesa Spillway. And yes, pwede kayong mag-fishing dito. May nare-rent na fishing rod or you can bring your own. Limited slot lang kaya agahan nyo from 7 to 11 a.m. only. Uy kuya, what's the catch? Try nyo na rin, singles are most welcome. Malay mo bukod sa isda, baka makabingwit ka rito na jowa. Bring your binoculars if you have one, baka may spatan kayong magandang ibon na lilipad-lipad dyan. Kung may masulubong kayo mga mama na parang may dalang basuka, telescope yon, mga bird watchers sila. Tsikain mo lang sila, they know where the birds are. Masahe ba or food trip? Take your pick. Maraming pagpipilian dito, masarap pang kumain sa may dalampasigan. Kung plano niyo mag-team building, dito na ang daming bagong games na kakaiba. Gusto ko nga rin itry yan. Nature ambience pa. Isama mo na rin yung anak mong ayaw paawat sa cellphone, baka ito ang alternative na kailangan niya. Mas masaya at healthier pa. Kung hindi ka marunong magbike, dito ka na mag-practice. Different bikes for your preference. Turuan kita. Now na. Kung meron kayong ganap like birthday, wedding, tree planting, pa-register nyo na dyan sa admin office. Sama ko ha. Hello? Ngek. Meet my evil twin. Masarap pag-jogging dito or kahit walking lang. Whether you're old or young, it's for everyone. It hits different, from lush green grass to beautiful flower gardens. Up the stairs and across stony paths. Every single step feels like a fresh start. Warm up pa lang to, marami pa tayong dadaanan. Kaya kung pupunta kayo rito, make sure your phone is fully charged. Wait lang, pit stop muna for quick hydrate. Ang lamig ng tubig, sarap uminom. Ito isa sa mga madadaanan nyo, the 4 o'clock flower or Mirabilis jalapa. Sa mga taga Quezon City dyan na hindi pa nakakapunta dito, don't miss this chance. Libre lang ang entrance, grab it while you can. And of course, non-QC residents are also welcome. If you're from another country and you're staying here in the Philippines, feel free to visit this place. It's super worth it. Please also take time to read the do's and don'ts inside the park.
Let's go!
Ito magandang gawin habang naglalakad ka rito. Deep breathing. Inhale, hold your breath, count to 3, then exhale as much air out as you can. Then repeat, so take a deep breath or count 3 steps, then exhale. Bukod sa oxygen fresh from the trees, yung carbon dioxide na nire-retain natin bahagya ay nakakatulong sa pag-release ng oxygen sa katawan natin. Another interesting plant, this is red ginger flower. Inhale the fresh energy, exhale the stress. No notifications, no loud city noise, just pure unfiltered nature feeding your soul. Ready niyo na yung mga TikTok dance moves nyo, pero huwag masyadong maingay para hindi mabulabog yung mga animals na nakatira dito. Remember, this is Nature Sanctuary. Mukhang may kaganapan dun let's check it out.
Sarah! 1, 2, 3, cut! Woohoo! Yay! Woo! Yay! Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa ating ribbon cutting. Ngayong umagang ito, Phase 2 of La Mesa Eco Park is officially open!
Congratulations! Special day today. Phase 2 is officially open. Diyan tayo pupunta ngayon. Mas gusto ko dumaan dito sa my playground. Paboritong tambayan to ng mga ibon at squirrel. La Mesa Eco Park is being managed by Manila Water Foundation. Good job, team! Thanks for all your effort and commitment. May this place continue to grow, expand, and inspire. More trees, more trails, more memories, and syempre, more reasons to come back and celebrate nature together. Over here, yan ang Flower Hill, pero ba't walang mga bulaklak? Kasi katatanim pa lang nila. Give it time to bloom.
Go!
Blue represents water, fresh, calm, life-giving. Turquoise for humanity. Tayo bilang mga guardians of nature, let's do our share. Green for trees, stands for biodiversity. Shout out to the great forest na nagdudulot ng malinis na hangin sa kapaligiran. Right in front of me, matatanaw ang malawak na La Mesa Dam. For security reasons, di po natin pwedeng ipakita dito sa video. Pero napakaganda ng tanawin dito, promise. We just have to see it for yourself. "100 steps, 3 colors, 1 message. Water, people, and trees. We're all connected. Kung wala ang isa, hindi buo ang ecosystem. May bonus cardio ka pa at instant leg day." Pwede kayong mag-picnic dito. You may bring your own food, maraming table na mapupwestuhan. Or you can just buy food here para di na kayo magbitbit ng gamit. Daming choices. Chillax in the cozy vibe by the lagoon. Akala ko si Aquaman, new look, si Neptune pala to. Roman god of fresh water and seas. With his wife, Salacia, even the gods take it slow on the turtle. This is the koi pond. Sakto, snack time. Guys, lapit ako kay kuya, dali. Mamaya na kayo magtsikahan dyan. Kanina, may tumawid na malaking bayawak about 1 meter long galing sa Flower Hill, tumiretso sa lagoon. Yan siya, lumalangoy. Matatanaw natin sa malayo, 3 planters for the day in pink and white color group. We also have here INC people, Iglesia ni Cristo, first event since Phase 2 opened. Party's over, back to quiet life. This amphitheater looks like mini rice terraces. Pero upuan talaga yan, parang sa Greek arena nung unang panahon. This is not a sponsored video, but this is to show appreciation to Manila Water Foundation and the Eco Park team for this restoration effort. Head over to their pages for more updates. Andito na tayo sa dulo ng Phase 2. Nature Trail starts here. Sabihin nyo lang sa admin kung gusto nyo pumasok dito. Silipin lang natin ang bahagya. Baka may magic portal dyan papuntang Encantadia. Avisala Eshma! Yan ang La Mesa Eco Park. Isang lugar para mag-relax, mag-reflect, or mag-recharge. Whether tumatakbo ka palayo sa stress or towards your beginning, dito ka muna huminga. Life is short. Spend it with nature, with laughter, and with people you love. Kita-kits uli. Remember, breathe deep, live light, and keep moving forward. Alright? See you!